Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley and I am back with another video. So welcome back to my channel, and I know I've been gone for like a really long time, but school has a girl busy. Okay, I have exams this week, a whole bunch of assignments that were due last week, so I don't even have time for myself, but I made time to come and show y'all my new hair. Okay, so I'm so excited. Okay, so on Cyber Monday, I went up on Aliexpress trying to get my Christmas hair, right? And I ordered some virgin Peruvian hair from Aliexpress. And I can't really pronounce the vendor's name, so I will leave it below. It's like Xuchang, Longqi beauty hair products, something like that. But yeah, so the package just came today. So I ordered it on Monday and it came today, which is Monday. So it took exactly 1 week, which is pretty reasonable because on the website, on the vendor store, it does say that, you know, processing can take up to 3 days and delivery will take 3 to 7 days. So the whole process and delivery days took 7 days. So, you know, they were accurate, so I'm fine with that. So yeah, the DHL man just left my house, and this is the package here. The typical, you know, DHL package. I haven't even opened the package yet. Like, he just left my house, so I'm about to open it and show y'all my hair. So I'm really excited. So I'm just gonna cut the top off with some scissors. And let's just get the hair. Okay, so first thing I see in the package, which is very cute, is a pair of lashes. So I don't know, I think that's kind of nice. They give a pair of lashes to their customers. So I thought that was really nice, and their customer service is amazing. I spoke to Nancy and she was so nice to me, always let me know what was going on, very polite, very nice. So that was good in my book. Okay, so the hair comes in these little plastic baggies like they always do, and this is the Peruvian body wave, and I like the gold right here, and I like how each package tells me what hair is in it. So this is a 22-inch. I did get 4 bundles. I got a 18, 20, 20, 18, 20, 22, and 24-inch. Yes, I'm doing it long for Christmas and New Year's. Oh, and everything, the 4 bundles came up to $150 because they did have like a 15% off sale or something like that on Cyber Monday. 15%, guys, 50% off. So I did get this hair. So yeah, 4 bundles for $150. You can't beat that. Okay, so yeah, this is the 22-inch. Is the 18-inch. This is the 20-inch and 24-inch, and all of them say the inches are natural color on the little baggies. So yeah, that's the hair, and that's all that's left in the bag. Okay, so yeah, that's the hair. You know, I gotta take it out of the package to feel the hair and see if it has a smell, so I'm about to do that right now. Let's get this bag open. I'm like really excited that I got my hair, because Lord knows. Okay, so this is the hair. It's very soft hair. The hair feels cold, but it's winter over here, so I'm guessing it's been in the DHL truck like all day, because right now it's 5:45, and yeah, it's been in there probably all morning. So the hair is soft, no tangles, and no shedding. No shedding. I mean, the hair doesn't have a smell. It doesn't have a smell. It does have a bit of a packaging smell though, but I will just say that's because of the packaging and probably because it's cold outside right now, so that's why. But the hair is very pretty. This is the 22-inch, so this comes past my boob. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like past my boob. So yeah, that's nice, and has a very nice wave to it. Really like this wave, and the hair is dark. I told her that I wanted the darkest bundles, because I mean this hair was really light. It was like a 2, and I really just want some dark bundles because I wanted my hair to be like black. So yeah, 18 inch, and this is my shortest length. I didn't check the weft construction. I should probably do that. Okay, so this is my 18 inch, and I'm just taking it out of the bag. Well secured with rubber bands on the outside and on the inside, so that's good. So yeah, this is the 18 inch. Ooh, 18 inch, softer than the 22 inch. A lot softer. Ooh, this is pretty. The weft construction looks decent. Looks decent. See if you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see it very well, but the construction is well done. This has no smell. It just has that packaging kind of smell. This is super soft. Oh my god. This hair is thick. This is Brazilian hair. This is the Peruvian hair, and it's very thick. I like that. And the 18 inch stretches like on my boob. So 20 inch, very soft. This hair is like butter. Oh Lord, this is so soft. This hair is so pretty. Oh my gosh. No smell, no crazy smell. Smells like packaging. This is a very thick weft to me. Like the length of the track seems very full, and the construction is also done really well. And this is the 20 in, and it comes past my boob. So yeah, this hair is definitely gonna be long on the sister. Last but not least, the 24 inch, which I'm most excited about because I've never had 24 inch hair before in my life. So, you know, a girl's got to turn up for the new year. So this is the 24 inch. I mean, the size of the track is not, it's smaller, but not like super, super smaller. So it still looks like it's a relatively full thing. The hair feels thick. It's long. Super soft. Oh my gosh. It's so soft. No crazy smell. And this hair is long. Oh my gosh, oh my god, this hair is so long. Okay, this hair goes down past my belly button. I know you guys can't see, and I apologize, but this hair goes down further than my belly button. Let me see this in the mirror. Oh my gosh, this hair is long. Okay, so yeah, that is the 24 inch. So all in all, I am pleased with the hair. And like I said before, I will leave all the information about the hair in the description box. I am gonna wash the hair, and I'm gonna wash the hair with, okay, first of all, I bought this Revlon Color Silk hair color in number 11, which is soft black, to color my hair black. And the only reason why I got it was because I figured that maybe the hair would be light brown, and I know I wanted my hair to be dark. So, I mean, the hair is dark, so I don't think I have to go and dye it soft black, but I don't know if I'm still going to do it or not. I'm going to decide. But, yeah, I bought that just in case, because I want my hair to be dark, because my natural hair is dark. So, yeah. I'm going to wash the hair with herbal essences, the shampoo, and have a different shampoo and conditioner. So the shampoo that I'm going to use is the Moroccan My Shine Nourishing Shampoo, and it's in a blue bottle like this. And I think this is like a new line that they have, because I've never seen this before. And I'm going to use the Herbal Essences Totally Twisted Conditioner, so I get those waves to pop, 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 pop. Bought this Schwarzkopf Got to Be Oilicious triple oil styling oil serum, whatever you want to call it, and it looks like this. And all these products I did get from Target. This was $3. This was $3.90, and the Herbal Essences shampoo and conditioner were both $2.49, and the Revlon Color Silk was $6.99. So cheap. Hello. So yeah, I have this, and I also have the Organics Moroccan argan oil, but I have to find it because I bought it a while back and I don't know where I put it, so I have to look for it. But anywho, I am very, very pleased with the hair. I think it was a super cute gesture that they sent a pair of lashes. Like, that is cute. That was really nice. I'm gonna tell Nancy I really like that. So yeah, that's it for my hair. I love it. I cannot wait to get it installed. Don't know when I'm getting it installed yet. I'm hoping I can get it installed by the end of this week or by next week, but I will definitely come back and show y'all my hair. So yes, thank you guys for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Do it right now. Click subscribe. Good. Click subscribe. So yes, thank you guys for watching, and I shall see you guys in another video.